Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program VW Jetta key fob easy method. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the ignition off, then insert the working key and remove it twice to wake the system. Keep the spare fob nearby, use the lock and unlock sequence as shown, and test the remote after programming to confirm all buttons respond correctly. Follow this clear step-by-step to program your VW Jetta key fob reliably. Insert and remove the working key twice quickly to trigger programming mode, then press lock on the new fob for a few seconds until the vehicle acknowledges it. If the car does not respond, repeat the sequence slowly and ensure doors remain closed, and always test the fob functions at the end for locks and trunk release. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful car tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during wrenching sessions. It seals well and fits most cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals I recommend. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If you hit a snag, these troubleshooting tips usually help you finish programming successfully. Start by swapping the fob battery and confirming the working key operates the locks. Make sure doors are closed and the vehicle battery has sufficient charge, then repeat the steps slowly. If nothing works after several attempts, a locksmith or dealer can run diagnostics to check receiver or software issues and finish the job for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.